Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to use the software even after uninstalling in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So say I want to use this software even after uninstalling. So for this what you need to do is just right mouse click on it and click on this properties and check the location of this software. So you can see this location where it is located. So you can directly click on this open file location and it will directly take you to the folder where this software is located. Now you need to copy all this folder files, everything here. You need to copy all this folder files, everything here, and save it on any other folder. So let me close it right now. Let me save it here on the desktop. Let me write it VLC again. Just paste it all the files which you have copied. So finally we have copied all the data folders and files of this software on the other folder. Now let me uninstall the software. So I'm gonna uninstall this software right now. So finally I have completely uninstalled the software along all its data. So now let us open this folder again and let me try to open or run this software again. Let me double click on this software which I have uninstalled. So you can see here it's opening, and let me try to play a video here since it's a video player. So you can see it's perfectly working. So I have already uninstalled this, but still I'm able to use this software. So by using this method, you can use the software even after uninstalling in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.